Video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Redbox. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and in the Google search box, type in Redbox promo codes and then hit search. And now in the Google search results, we're going to have these third-party sites offering different promo deals. So we got the big players here: Retail Me Not 10% off, Coupon Follow 66% off. You can even check out Reddit if you want inside our Redbox. Scroll down, we got Slick Deals, Don't Pay Full. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites to get a promo code deal. Just be mindful, these do expire and they do change daily or weekly too. So better offerings might appear in the future if you don't like the current ones. So for this demonstration, I want to scroll down and go to Coupon Follow, a site I really like to use. And now if we scroll down here, you can see all the different offerings: 10% off, 66% off, $2 off, $1.25 off, etc. So pick on the deal you like the most. So 66% seems pretty good to me. Click into it, click copy the code, and now you want to paste this code at the checkout section of Redbox to enjoy your 66% off.